Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this 2025 New Year cards. Open it up and you'll see a box. What's inside it? Let's find out by pushing down the stick. It's a lucky cat. Is it difficult to make? Well, actually no. In fact, you'll be surprised how easy and simple to make this craft. So, let's get creative, shall we? First, take an A4 card paper and fold into half. Draw and cut a big circle for the front greetings of the card. And add an ornament cap. This ball is about 12 centimeters in diameter. Then take a cardboard, trace and cut the ball. And cut another small piece of a card to put in the center. These layers will give a nice pop-up look for the ball. Then start writing your greetings using a pencil. And trace the wordings with a marker. Add some glue to the round cardboard and stick it to the ball. Gently bend the ball to get its shape before sticking the small cardboard in the middle. For the main card, take the A4 card paper and fold it into half, then stick the ball to it. Then tie a bow using a jute string and then stick it to the card. Using a marker, add some dots around the ball. To make the box, take an A4 card paper, fold and cut it into half. Hold the half card horizontally, then fold each side to the middle. It is okay to have a small gap in the center. Then measure 4 centimeters from the bottom and fold it up. Open it up and cut the 2 squares at the corner. Then trim the sides of the bottom flap as shown. With the flaps opened, measure and mark 2 centimeters on the right side of the fold line. Then use a blade to make a slit down of about 1.5 centimeters from the marked area. Now take a white card paper and now we can draw our Maneki Neko or lucky cat. This cat is about 6 centimeters by 5 centimeters. You can also download the templates from the description below. Add red and gold colors and cut it. For the year card, measure and cut 6 cm by 4 cm. Then trim it to make curved sides. Add some linings and write your message. Add some glue and stick it on the cat. Now take the red card paper and a popsicle stick. Remember the slit on the right side, turn it over and insert the popsicle stick. Before attaching the cat to the stick, let's test it out first using a tape and adjust it. Make sure that the popsicle stick on the side is not too long to fit the card. Keep on adjusting if the cat is too high or too low. We can now mark the area, add glue, and stick the popsicle stick and cat together. Let's add strings on both sides of the cat as shown. Measure the length of the string when the cat is up to the bottom of the card. Tie the ends of the string so it will stick properly. The strings will keep the cat steady as we move it up and down. We can now stick the cat and the box to the card. Make sure that the popsicle stick is not extending out of the card. Secure the bottom part of the box first before sticking it to the card. Then write your message. Add some dots to the box. And write push it down on the handle or stick. Erase the pencil marks and add more dots. And there you have it, your very own DIY 2025 New Year card. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!